Hello everybody, so welcome back to my channel. So today I am vlogging because we are gonna go. Where are we going?
To take a picture with Santa Claus.
Yes, and we just got here. We had a rough morning, so yeah, we'll see you when we get inside. Give me your hand. Alrighty, let's go. Is there cars?
No.
Are you sure? Okay, let's go. Are you ready to go see Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Yes? What are you gonna tell him when you go see him? What are you gonna go tell him when you see Santa Claus?
I'm gonna tell him.
Hmm?
I'm gonna tell him.
Just got here, right? Yeah, are you excited?
Yeah.
Alright, so we came on a Monday. I pulled her out of school. She's only in preschool, so she's gonna take a picture because the lines aren't that big. So yeah, we're waiting in line. There's only a few people. On the weekends it gets really long. The parents know how it gets. Outfit. Let's go. Go. Wow. You want to hold my hand? Go. Don't be scared, Anna. Come on. You're going to go alone and take a picture with him, okay? Oh, thank you. How was it? What did he give you? Huh?
A kitchen.
A kitchen? Oh, okay. What did he give you, Anna?
A candy.
A candy? Let me see. Ooh. Bien coqueta tú. You're so cute. Alrighty. Alrighty, let's go.
Look at the reindeer.
I know, it's so beautiful, huh? Alrighty, which one do we get up? What was your picture with Santa Claus? It was good? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? What did you tell him you wanted?
A kitchen toy.
A kitchen? You wanted a whole set of kitchen?
Yeah.
Alrighty, so I came to the mall also to make this return. This would have been baby girl's first sneaker. And do you like them?
Yeah.
Oh, you just told me no, and you didn't want to wear them this weekend. So we came here to return them. Do you want them or no?
Yeah.
You want them now? Girl, I can't with you. Alrighty, so we're gonna walk around for a little bit and then see if this girl changes her mind again.
Yeah. I'm take
Hold
a
it.
picture.
Hold it good. Give me the candy. Hold it with both hands.
Thank you.
Well, you're not pointing it at me. Cheese. Am I looking at the camera? Are you pointing it at my face?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Cheese.
And hi everybody. Welcome back. And also we went to take a picture with Santa Claus already. And now we're going somewhere else. And I'm Celia was going to braid my hair. And also we're going here. Every time I wish for a kitchen. And you want to wish for some kitchen or toy. If you want to take a picture of Santa Claus, he's gonna see what you're gonna get.
Alrighty, we're gonna go to one more stop. So baby girl can.
Hello. We're going to buy some earrings, right, Celia?
Alrighty, we're gonna pick up some earrings. Huh? For you.
For me?
But I don't know. Or do you want a bow instead? She's obsessed with the, what is it, the JoJo Siwa? I don't even know who she was until this girl. Oh, these are cute too. Here, take this one too. And oh my god, these are so cute.
Can I buy some more?
Huh?
I don't have one.
Huh?
I don't have no hairband.
You don't have no what?
Hairband.
Headbands. Oh, you want headbands. Do you want this one?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that one.
Earrings that can look cute.
Okay, get one. Choose one headband that you want. Only one. Choose wisely, girl. Here, let me give you some options to choose from. What is, oh my gosh, these are so cute and they come in 3. Look it. You want to do this?
What's this, guys?
Alright. We're at the food court now. We're eating. We have some technical difficulties.
I'm eating guacamole.
She's eating guacamole.
It's good. So good. Do you like guacamole? I do.
What did we go shopping for?
We're shopping for a Christmas.
For Christmas, for myself and her.
Again. We're going to Christmas outfit to get Celia and mine.
Yeah, but we already got them. Look at. We went to Sephora, right?
I said first. Do you like guacamole like I do?
It's a Monday and the mall is pretty busy. Why?
Because you like guacamole. I do.
She's obsessed with guacamole. Can you tell she's a real Mexican?
It's so good.
We're still fairly new, so be patient with us, but so far it's like good B-roll. It's cute.
My turn.
Okay, go.
When you ever try guacamole before, you better try guacamole. And you like guacamole.
What's your name?
My name is Anna.
Your name is Anna Marie, but come closer because they can't see you or hear you.
My name is Anna Marie.
And how old are you?
4.
You're 4 years old, and what grade are you in? You're in preschool. And your auntie pulled you out of school so that we can come take pictures with Santa, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. my next video, not channel.
See you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye. No, Celia, they're going bye-bye. Let's say bye. See you next channel. Say it.
Bye. See you on our next channel.